Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.